Gentle waves of silence, gentle waves of peace and harmony. With each breath, feel the ethereal whisper. With each breath, feel the love divine. In the vast ocean of your heart, you are. With the divine, you are vibrating in the silence of your heart. Breathe in gently. Let the choir of the echoes blend with the waves of energy. Feel the cosmic rhythm. Let your spirit believe. Let your spirit know that you are in the sacred place of your heart. Breathe in gently. Let go of all the worries. You are in perfect harmony. Every soft vibration, every sound is light that invites you to the silence of your heart, where your spirit can fly. Breathe in gently. Breathe and feel the cosmic rhythm of your spirit.